Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to enable to open tool menu on the Power Director application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just click to the three line at the upper left corner of the home screen. Go to the settings section, click to the second option, the preferences. Go to the second section, the advanced. And here you can find the open tool menu when select an object in timeline. Actually, I use this function, but if you want to turn off, just click to the next blue icon, and this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on, click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.